Welcome to the Learn to 3D Print class. My name is Jude Shingle.
And I'm Patrick Moran.
We both work at the Idea Lab here at the Blasco Library. We're so glad you're taking the class with us today. The goal of today's class is to teach you how to use the 3D printers that are available here in the Idea Lab. The Idea Lab has 4 Ultimaker brand 3D printers, and by the end of this class, you will learn how to use those printers. The class will take about 45 minutes to complete, and while we'll spend some time learning how 3D printers work and the cool things that they can do, the majority of the class is going to be focused on learning how to use these specific 3D printers. So by the end of class, you will learn how to find a model, prepare a model, and then print a model, all here in the Idea Lab.
A couple housekeeping items before we get started. In order to use the 3D printers here at the Idea Lab, you do need to have a library card and to have agreed to the Idea Lab's rules. If you don't have a library card yet, or you haven't agreed to the rules, we have instructions on how to do so on the next slide. You can start the class now and then take care of those items later, no problem.
This class was built with beginners in mind. So if you hear terms that are confusing or the processes don't really make sense, that is totally okay. The important thing is that by the end of the class, you get an overview of the entire 3D printing process. The more you 3D print, the easier and more familiar these terms will be.
What we won't cover in today's class are things like making your own 3D model, 3D design, or every single advanced setting you could choose for your print. But this class should give you a foundation to explore those topics on your own if you're interested.
Sounds good, Patrick. You ready?
Ready.
All right, let's get started.